Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, today we practice some important 1 mark questions for your annual examination 2023 and 24. Today is day number 3. We already completed up to day number 2. If you not see the session, then go to the playlist or click on I button. So without late, then start the session. First question. Simplify 6 by 5 whole to the power 5 divide 3 by 5 whole to the power 5. Here base are not equal but power are equal. We know that if the power are equal then we must divide. So write down 6 by 5 divide 3 by 5 whole to the power 5. Now we cannot divide, so convert into multiply, that is 6 by 5 multiply 5 by 3 whole to the power 5, 3 2 ja, 5 5 cancel, 2 to the power 5, that is 32. Clear? Next. What is the degree of the polynomial? We know that degree means the highest power of the variable. So here variable is z and the highest power is 5. So degree is 5. Clear? Next. In word math, which letter shows the rotational symmetry of order 2? And that is H. Next, question number 4. Write the number of the lines of the symmetry of a regular pentagon. So we know that pentagon means n equal to 5. So line of symmetry means line of symmetry equal to number of the sides. So here number of sides is 5. So line of symmetry is 5. You should also know that hexagon, there are 6 sides are there, heptagon, 7 side, octagon, 8, then nonagon, 9 and decagon, 10. Clear? Next question. Find the multiplicative inverse of 3 to the power minus 3. We know that 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 3 and the power is negative, then when you convert into positive, so 3 to the power only 3, so 27. So correct answer is option number I. Expand this using exponent. Okay, how to expand? 0.0523 is equal to, we know that, 0.5 ना expand करिबा means decimal लो position change करिबा, that is after 5. So 5.23. So there are the 2 digits are there. So into 10 to the power 2 plus na minus, when convert into small number to big number, then it will be minus. Next, question number 3. Express this as the power of the base 2. Base 2 means we can write 8 as 2 to the power 3. Now minus 4, so 2 to the power minus 12. So correct answer is option number I. Next question, question number 4. The value of 6 by 7 whole to the power minus 1 is equal to dash. We know that if the power is negative, that is p by q whole to the power minus n, then q by p whole to the power plus n. So correct answer is 7 by 6. Clear? Next. X to the power minus 2 and x to the power 2. So here base are equal, so power will be odd. So x minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Next. Which of the following condition does not fulfill the condition for constructing a quadrilateral? So correct answer is option number D, because we know that when we construct a quadrilateral, we need 5 segments, 5 terms, that is 4 sides and 1 angle, or 2 angles diagonal, or 3 sides. Well, next question number 2. Minimum 5 are required. A parallelogram PQRS is constructed with side QR 6 cm, PQ this and PQ are 90, then the PQRS is a dash. Here parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal and angle is 90, so it is a rectangle. If there is a rhombus, then it must be a square. Next question, question number 3. Which of the following is a valid quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means we know that sum of the all angle equal to 360 degree. Check karo ko sum of 360. So first one is 60, 120, 180, 180, 90. Sorry, 120, 200, 390. So not. Here 490. So 2i by B is the correct answer. Which of the fifth dimension is required? Fifth dimension means either CD or BC. So answer is DC. DC or CD. To construct a quadrilateral, the minimum number of the dimension needed is 2. Okay. So next. Can the angle 67.5 can be constructed? Yes. Yes. How? Now first you draw 135 degree. How? Now first you draw 60, 120 and 180. When you bisect 120 and 180, the angle is 150 is formed. Then when bisect 150 and 120, then the angle is 130. So when bisect 135, the bisect 135, then the angle will be how much? 67.5. Okay. Next question number 7. Find the maximum number of the obtuse angle. So answer is 2. Find the minimum number of the angle required to construct a quadrilateral if the three sides are equal. So three sides are given. So 2, because there are the 5. Either 5 3 sides on 2 angle or 5 4 sides 1 angle are given. So next question number 9. Find the minimum number of the dimension needed to construct a square, that is 1, any sides. So question number 10. In a quadrilateral PQRS, PQ and RQ and RS, PS equal to 4 and S equal to 70, name the type of the quadrilateral. It must be a rhombus, because if angle is 90, then it is a square. The angle not equal to 90, so it is a rhombus. Okay. Next. When a die thrown, what is the probability of the getting number a greater than 5? A greater than 5 means only 6 are there. So 1 divided by total is 6. So 1 by 6. Okay. What is the probability of getting product of the number greater than 25? When the 2 dice are rolled, we know that 2 dice means either total number of the possibility is 36, the greater than 25, okay. 3, 5 into 6, 30, greater than 20, and 6 into 5, it must be greater than 25, and the other no are there. So the correct answer is 2 by 36, that is 2 by 36. So 1 by 18. There is no options. Again, 5 into 6, 30. 6 into 5, 6 into 6 achi. So 3 by 36. So 1 by 12. Option number C is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. A bag has 5 red and 3 white, 2 black ball. So find the probability of the black or red ball. So black or red, 5 and black is 2. 7 divided by total is 8, 10. 7 by 10. Next, what is the probability of the getting non-prime when the die is rolled? Non-prime number means 1, 4 and 6. There are the 3 non-prime numbers are there. So 3 by 6. So 1 by 2 is the correct answer. Next question. Pictorial representation is known as pictograph. Next question. What is the lower class limit in the class interval 30 and 40? That is 30. What is the range of the data? Range means maximum minus minimum. Here maximum is 25, minimum is 6. So 25 minus 6, that is 19. What is the maximum probability of an event? That is 1. Minimum is 0. What are the outcomes in the experiment of tossing a coin 1 times? That is 2. If the question tells that when tossing a coin 2 times, then 4. How to find? Now 1 times means 2 to the power 1. 2 times means 2 to the power 2. Okay. 3 times means 2 to the power 3. 8. And when the dice is thrown 1 times means 6 to the power 1 equal to 6. 2 times means 6 to the power 2 equal to 36. 3 times means 6 to the power 3 equal to 216. Okay. What is the upper class limit in the class interval? Upper and the lower. Lower is 26, upper is 33. Okay. Next question. By what minimum angle does a regular hexagon rotate? Hexagon means 60. So answer is 60. And name the any two figure that both line of symmetry and the rotational symmetry in the order more than 1. Okay. More than 1 means O. Okay. And order and rotational symmetry. Another is I. Okay. So after rotating H, also H, after rotating by 120 about its center, the figure look exactly the same. So it is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Now next question. Mass means which lateral rotational symmetry? H and S. Find the angle of the order of the rotational symmetry. So angle is 90 and order is 360 by 90, that is 4. Okay. Next question. Root 35 equal to 5 into 7. Root. Solve the exponential equation. Root 3. So we can write 3x to the power 2 equal to 3 to the power 8. So now power will be equal. So x by 2 equal to 8. So x equal to 16. Then question number 3. Cube root x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 cube, that is 8. So x equal to 8. So x cube equal to 512. Now find the value. 4 into, we can write 9 rho square whole to the power minus 1 by 2. Then 9 rho square 1 by 2 plus 9 rho square 3 by 2. Okay. Now cancel. 2 to cancel. So 4 into 9 minus 1. Here 9 plus 9 power 3. Okay. So 4 by 9 into 729 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18, Kerala 1, 3, 7, 7, 3, 8. So cancel 9, 8 ja 72, 9 2 ja, that is 4 2 ja 8, 4 8 ja 32. So 328 is the correct answer. Okay. Next, question number 4 or question. So 0.2 whole to the power 6 whole to the power 5 by 6. Now 6 6 cancel. So 0.2 whole to the power 5. So equal to 0.00032. Clear? Next. In the given figure, AB parallel DE, find the measure of the X and Y. Okay, X and Y. Parallel is AB and DE. AB and DE. Okay. Where is DE? AB parallel. Sorry, EF side. DE. Question ke wrong achi. Two opposite angle of a parallelogram are given. Find the measure of the each angle. We know that two opposites angle of a parallelogram are equal. So we can write 5x minus 8 is equal to 2x plus 82. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 82 plus 8, that is 90. So 3x equal to 90. So x equal to 30. Okay. So find the measure of the each angle. Each angle means put the value, that is 5 into 30, that is 150 minus 8, that is 2, 142. Another is 2 into 30, that is 60. 60 plus 82, now what? 2, 8, 6, 42. Sorry, these are equal. So 142 degree. Okay. So write the coordinate of the point which is 3 units away from the x-axis. Okay. So questions tell that write the coordinate of the point which is the 3 units away from the x-axis. Okay. Here the x-axis, here y-axis, the point is 3 units away from the x-axis and 5 units away from the y-axis. Now find the coordinate. Coordinate means that is 5.3, 5, 3. So next question number 8. Name the coordinate of the axis in the coordinate plane. Okay, first is x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate is also known as abscissa and y coordinate is known as ordinate. Okay, what is the distance of the point P30 from the y-axis? Okay, first draw a graph in graph, that is 3, 0 here. So question is, what is the distance from the point from the y-axis? Y-axis means 3. So answer is 3. 3 unit. Next, in a class, there are X girls and Y boys. A student is selected at random. Then find the probability of selecting a boy. Boy, there are the Y. So Y divided by total is X plus Y. So answer is Y by X plus Y. List price of a pair shoe is rupees 450. If the Anil paid this as 45 rupees as GST for it, then find the rate of the GST. Okay, rate how to find? Now 45 divided by 450 into 100, 45 10 ja 10, 10 ja 100, so answer is 10%. Clear? Complete. Thank you.